Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove messenger calls from call log in iPhone. So if you want to go ahead and remove those messenger calls onto the contact or call log on your iPhone device, then you're onto the right guide. So first things first, you need to go ahead and open this button or the phone icon onto your iPhone. Now, once you're already here, just click onto the recents to view in the different call logs that you have onto your iPhone. So as you can see, we have here the messenger calls, and to completely remove them, just click onto the edit icon onto the upper left corner of the screen, click onto select, and then just choose onto this call logs that you want to remove. So for example, the first one that we have in here, we're going to click onto this red icon, click onto the delete button, and it should remove that call log onto your device. And that's just basically it onto how to remove messenger calls from call log in iPhone. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.